Very happy morning, students. The displacement in the nth second. Here, the displacement in the nth second represents. Suppose if I want to find out the distance travelled or the displacement travelled by an object in the particular second or third second or fourth second, that will be given by the displacement in the nth second. See, observe here, an object is travelling first second, second second, third second and so on n seconds. Okay. So here, this is the starting of first second and this is the ending point of first second. And then here onwards what will happen? Second will start and at this point second will end. And at this point third second will start and here third second will end. So here first second distance, second distance, third second distance. First second distance means from this point to this point. Say A to B is the first second distance. B to C is the second distance. C to D, this is the third second distance. So here, if I want to find out the distance or the displacement travelled in the third second itself. Okay, the displacement travelled in the third second itself. If I want to find out, what I need to do? So here, from A to D, total displacement minus A to C. Okay, total displacement travelled for 3 seconds minus total displacement travelled for 2 seconds. If it subtract displacement travelled in 2 seconds from displacement travelled in the 3 seconds, then we will get the displacement travelled in the particular third second. So here in the same way, likewise, if it is nth second, before that second will be 1 minus 1 second, n minus 1 second. So this is n minus 1. Even if you observe here, if n is equal to 3, means n is equal to third second, this will be what? 3 minus 1. Okay. So the same likewise here, n and n minus 1. The total distance travelled in n seconds minus the distance travelled in n minus 1 seconds. Means if we subtract the total displacement travelled in n minus 1 seconds from displacement travelled in n seconds, we will get the displacement travelled by the object in the nth second. So for that one, what we have, the formula is, see, first find out the total distance are travelled in n seconds. See, by using S is equal to ut plus half at square, which will gives us the relation between the displacement travelled by an object in a time of t seconds. The displacement travelled by an object in a time of t seconds. So, if t is equal to n seconds, then the displacement travelled in total n seconds is equal to, in the place of t substitute n, u into n plus half a n square. Okay, then if t is equal to n minus 1 displacement, like this if we write, this will be very easy to understand. If t is equal to n minus 1, displacement can be written as S of n minus 1. So here t is equal to n minus 1 means in the place of t we are going to substitute n minus 1. So substitute u into n minus 1 plus 1 by 2 into a into n minus 1 whole square. So S of n minus 1 can be written as u into n un minus u into 1 u plus a by 2 into n minus 1 whole square represents what? A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus ab. So n square plus 1 minus 2n. So again simplify this one. un minus u plus a by 2 into n square, an square by 2, a by 2 into 1, a by 2, a by 2 into minus 2n minus 2an divided by 2. 2 both will get cancelled. Then finally what we will get? Un minus u plus an square by 2 plus a by 2 minus an. See here, total displacement travelled for n seconds, and this is for total displacement travelled in n minus 1 second. See, if you subtract n minus 1 second from total n seconds, then we will get this particular distance travelled or displacement travelled. So Sn is equal to, Sn represents the displacement travelled in the nth second. So this can be given by S of n minus S of n minus 1. So here S of n is what? Un plus half an square, un plus half an square minus of S of n minus 1 is what? Un minus u plus an square by 2 plus a by 2 minus an. Simplify this one. Un plus half an square minus un plus u minus an square by 2 minus into plus minus a by 2 minus into minus plus an. So here check for the similar terms. Un both will get cancelled. Half an square both will get cancelled. Then write the remaining things. Here u plus an minus a by 2. From these two terms an and a by 2, we are having a common. If we take a common, then what we will get? U plus a into n minus 1 by 2. Or this can be written as u plus a into 2n minus 1 divided by 2. That is equal to u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Here, if you use this formula, it is very easy to understand. U plus a into n minus 1 by 2. So that is the displacement travelled in the nth second. So here, what is displacement travelled in the nth second means? The displacement travelled by the object in the particular interval of time means first second, whatever the distance travelled, if you want to find out, we can use this formula and we can find out the displacement travelled in this particular second. Second means here n is equal to 2 we will consider. If third second means n is equal to 3. 18th second means n is equal to 18. Like that we will consider the n value and we will find out the displacement travelled in the particular second. So here displacement in the nth second means the displacement travelled in this particular second. First second or second or third second or fourth second or fifth second, like that. See, for that what we are doing is, for our formula formation, the total displacement travelled in n seconds minus total displacement travelled in n minus 1 seconds. Okay, S of n represents total displacement travelled in n seconds. S of n minus 1 represents the total displacement travelled in n minus 1 seconds. If you subtract this S of n minus 1 from S of n, then we will get this particular interval displacement travelled. See here, if you consider this point, here nth second will start and at this point nth second will ends. Okay, so this is the displacement travelled by nth second. Okay, that formula will be given by u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. Okay, here u represents initial velocity of the object, a represents acceleration, n represents the particular time interval, second, third second, fourth second, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 5, like that we will consider. See, here if you see a simple example, See, if we see an example, an object is starting from rest, find the displacement in the 5th second. Here 5 seconds is different from 5th second. 5 seconds means from starting to 5 seconds how much displacement we have completed, that will shows the displacement traveled by an object in 5 seconds. But 5th second means what? See, observe here. Displacement traveled in 5 seconds means from initial position to here to this position. Okay, but 5th second means what? 5th second will start here and ends at this point. So this particular interval will shows the displacement in the 5th second. So here they are asking the displacement traveled in the 5th second. First of all, write down what are the given values. Here the object is starting from rest. Initial velocity u is equal to 0. An object is starting from rest. Initial velocity u is equal to 0 and 5th second displacement they are asking. So n is equal to 5. And here they did not mention any acceleration. So S5 is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. Initial velocity 0 plus acceleration we don't know, so directly write at a. And n value 5 minus 1 by 2. We know the simplification. 5 2s are 10, 10 minus 1 9 by 2. So that is equal to a into 9 by 2. That is 9a divided by 2. In this way we can find out the displacement traveled in the nth second.